Hey guys, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So today guys, in this video I will show you how to set up this Mantra MFS 110 optical fingerprint scanner on your Windows PC or laptop step by step. Yes, so if you have just got this fingerprint scanner and are confused about drivers and setups, then don't worry. So this video is for you. Let's get started. If you are new here, so please do subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech reviews. So let's get started. Firstly, now let's connect this device to your PC or laptop using this USB port. So once you plug it in, Windows might automatically detect it. But usually we need to install the official driver manually for it to work properly. So let's go ahead and download the driver. So first open your browser and go to the official website, that is www.mantrasoftech.com. Here you will see drivers, RD service, SDK manuals. So click on this link. Then after you will see the official website of this Mantra. So now find your device, then scroll down, you will find your product. So our product is Mantra MFS 110L1. So tap on that. Then you will find this PDF. Here you can see. So we have to go on the second drivers. Here you can see MFS 110 driver. So first download this, and here you will see a small dialog box, that is I'm not a remote. Click it and submit. Then we have to select wherever you want to download. Select on desktop and save it. Then here you can see guys, it is downloading. So our driver is downloaded. Now go to RD service. Then here you have to select for which software you want it, for Windows or for your Android mobile. If you want to use on your Windows, then select for MS110 Windows RD service, download here. Then click on I'm not a robot, then submit. So that is pretty simple guys. Here, then again we have to select the location, then place on desktop and save it. Here you can see. So our RD service also downloaded. Now go back to your desktop. Once downloaded, open the setup file. It's usually named something like Mantra MFS 110 driver setup.exe. Here you can see. Now tap on run as administrator. Just keep clicking next, agree to the terms and finish the installation. Yes. So yes, wait for time until it finished. So the first setup is finished guys. Now we have to go for next MFS 110 driver. First we have downloaded same like that. We have to do run as administrator. Tap on that. So now for the on-screen instruction, just clicking next and install it and wait for finish and installation. Tap on finish. So yes guys, now once both are installed, connect your scanner again. It will show the device is attached. Again remove it back, then again plug it. Here you can see guys, on the way the setup is on processing. Device installation is in progress. This is one-time process and will take about 4 to 5 minutes. So please do not disconnect the device. 4 to 5 minutes we have to wait until it finishes the setup process. Here you can see guys, the framework is ready to use. And that's it guys. Now you can test it on any compatible fingerprint applications like Aadhaar, CSC or attendance software. Just place your finger on the scanner and your fingerprint smoothly, and that's it, you're all set. If your scanner isn't detecting, try these quick fixes guys. Use another USB port or reinstall the driver and RD service, and make sure you are running everything as administrator. And after that, restart your PC after installation. So that's how you can easily set up and install the Mantra MFS 110 optical fingerprint scanner on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more tech tutorials and setup guides. So drop a comment below if you face any issues and I will try to help you out as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this.